Hi friends, so this is a quick tutorial how to mass migrate all your favorite manhwas from a dead source to a valid source. So currently I'm using Tachiyomi and in Tachiyomi I have almost around 630 number of manhwas, but the time of making this video comic is gone and I need to migrate all my favorite manhwas which are in comic actually to a different source. And in comic, as you can see, I have almost around 400 number of manhwas. And if I choose, as you can see, there's lot of manhwas, and there's no option to mass migrate. If I want to do it, I need to do single by manually. So what you need to do is go to settings. I guess this applies for all the Tachiyomi clones like Mihon and any other Tachiyomi clone you can find. So in the settings, you visit data and storage, and there's an option create backup. You need to create the backup. Once the backup is created, you just need to download Comico. So this is the Comico GitHub page, and simply you can just write this name Comico. You can easily get the page. Currently I'm using version 1.13.3, and once Comico is installed, so it will ask for a folder. I need to create a new folder in my root directory. So once the folder is done, you need to grant all the permissions. Once these permissions are done, there's option called restore backup. You need to hit here, and in the restore option, you need to choose the Tachiyomi backup. So Tachiyomi backups are stored in backup automatic. So this is the latest backup I had done. You need to choose. It will show everything and make sure all is ticked. So once you hit restore, the restore process is very fast in Comico. Yes. So once install is completed, you need to hit browse extension and you need to reinstall or hit trust to all the extension you have installed in your Tachiyomi. So we have done. Now there's a migrate option. So let's say I'll choose this one. So here's the option to select everything. So once everything is selected, you just need to hit here and select sources. So most of the manhwas can be found in all manga. So I'm choosing all manga, but still, if something is not found in all manga, you can prefer choosing other options as well. So once I hit migrate, we'll get option like this. I prefer using tracking and the extra option. So if you, there's also one another option, use source with the most chapters. You can use this one, which is a good option, and it will show whatever chapters or whatever number of chapters for that manhwa. So this option is good, but it is kind of very slower. So I'll go with the first one, and there's other option as well. You can choose this option, but once you choose, it will slow down. So you might be wondering why this is 2719 and why it is 981. So in the comic extension or the comic source, there are various multiple number of translators for a single chapter. That's why the number is very higher. But in all manga, the chapter is single translator. So that is the reason. Currently, the progress is 8 by 99 and it will go on, go on, go on. It will load up. Once it is loaded up, I'll show you. Let's do for the one which has, let's say this one. This is very, it will be very fast. So we will do for the manga text one. It has 60 number of manhwas. So if I do, so I prefer not using manga desk. As you can see, manga desk is very slow, and most of the mangas are available on manga source. So you can use that, but it's up to you. So see, there are mistakes as well. For example, this one, the strongest sector of all times, it chose something else. Oh, I'll say do not migrate. Same for this one, the scholar's reincarnation, it says the scholar warrior. Say don't migrate. This one as well, the heaven demon destroys the Lich King, but it says something else, so I'll say don't migrate. So, guys, be careful. I think it's better you sometimes choose manually. So currently, what I think everything is good to go. So I'll hit yeah migrate. So yes, those 16 numbers has been moved to all manga. So that's how you mass migrate everything. I hope this video helped you. In case you have any questions, you can drop down. Thank you.